guys, welcome back to another video with me. This is Dr. Jocelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I wanted to show you something. I think last week or maybe a couple of weeks ago, I bought some seeded watermelons from Walmart. I did a short video on them because they were so delicious. And I decided to take some of the seeds and plant them into some dirt in a pot, and here they are. You can see that they've already started growing. I don't know how many seeds I put in here, but I just put them in here, and yeah, you can see that they're growing already. So I might have me some watermelons. I know it takes a long time for them to actually grow into watermelons, but yeah, so you can see the seeds at the top. So what a beautiful thing to grow your own food. I'm growing watermelons, yay.